active passive voice. Post view of important lectures. I have eaten apple. मैं सेब खा चुका हूं. Present perfect. I had eaten apple. मैं सेब खा चुका था. Past perfect. Object plus has या have का प्रयोग plus been plus verb की third form plus subject at the last of the sentence. जैसा कि स्क्रीन पर आप देख रहे हैं, I have eaten apple. मैं सेब खा चुका था. Present perfect का active voice. I have eaten apple. मैं सेब खा चुका हूं. Apple has been eaten by me. वही सिंपल फार्मूला. एप्पल शुरू में, एप्पल चूंकि सिंगुलर है इसलिए सिंगुलर के साथ हैज का यूज प्लस बीन प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस बाय प्लस हमारा वो सब्जेक्ट जो हमने ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट किया था, मी. दोबारा से सुनेंगे फॉर्मूला. हैज बीन या हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. राम हैज टेकन टी. टी हैज बीन टेकन बाय राम. ही हैज followed my orders. My orders have been followed by him. They have flown kites. Kites have been flown by them. Scientists have done research. Research has been done by the scientists. He has done payment. Payment has been done by them. Students have solved the questions. Questions have been solved by the students. They have delivered the lectures. Lectures have been delivered by them. Teacher has given the remarks. Remarks have been given by the teachers. This topic now we are about to do is not related to the passive voice, but as we do 2 topics per day, this is the second topic of the day. This is the use of had to for any obligation and advice in past. हैड टू के बाद वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का प्रयोग होगा जब भी हम कोई काम नहीं करना चाहते थे लेकिन पास्ट में हमें वो काम मजबूरी में करना पड़ा. जैसे yesterday I had to go to चंडीगढ़ मीन्स मैं चंडीगढ़ नहीं जाना चाहता था लेकिन कल मुझे चंडीगढ़ जाना पड़ा. Finally he had to resign from his job. I had to take leave for my work. They had to deposit their bill with late fee. School had to give fee concession to poor students. Children had to remain at home due to heavy rain. Finally, she had to take the right decision. Even though not willing, he had to leave for Delhi. We had to convey their messages. They had to close their shop. Radha had to beat her brother Madhya. He had to run away from his house. He had to wash his clothes himself. I had to talk to her. Rudraksh had to obey his parents.